Hey y'all! In today's video, I will be showing you how I create this fall look. Thanks and keep watching. So first, my Morphe palette, I'm going to use this burgundy. And I'm going to put it in my crease. Work my way up. Blend it out. I'm going to use a bigger, fluffier brush to blend it out in like back and forth motions to sort of make it more of a less harsh, make it less harsh, and holding the end of my brush. Then I'll take this light color, like a tan, light tan, to remove any more harshness. So I'll tip off excess and I'll just apply it above the shadow I just put on, and it kind of softens up the look a little. Then I'll use a concealer to cut the crease. So I'm not gonna use a light concealer. People usually use a light concealer, but I'm just gonna use a concealer just to cut it, because I want this look to be kind of soft, not too harsh. So I'll use a color that's my complexion color. Yeah. Okay. Oh. And I'm gonna apply it just over my lid and spread it out to create the crease. To cut the crease. I'm using a black brush that I made, so to speak. And I'll just push the concealer up into the crease just to give me a boundary of where I'm going to apply my next shade. And make sure it's even with the other eye. Then, using this hard candy palette, I'm going to use this shimmery pinky shade and apply that in the center of my lid. Then I'll take this darker brown color and I'll apply it to my the outer corner of my eye and bring it over the crease to cut it even more. Then out of that same hard candy palette, I'll take this purpley color and apply that to the same outer edge. So bring it out into the burgundy or the dark brown I just used. I just use my finger to add a little bit more of that center color and pat it in the brush. Just try to blend it together. And then take a this shimmery burgundy here and apply that on top of that outer color to bring it out a little bit more. Okay, now I think I'm gonna have to add some more burgundy to soften this top up a little bit more. There we go. Just so it won't be past my lid. Okay. And I'm going to add a lighter shade to the center from that Hard Candy palette, this orangey shade. And that'll be in my inner eye. I think that's what you call it. The foundation I'll be using is Maybelline Fit Me Poreless in the color 330. I'm going to use a fluffy brush to sort of blend it even more into my skin. And then I'm going to conceal. Now I'm going to conceal with the same concealer that I used to cut crease. And that was the Maybelline Fit Me in 30. It's a damp beauty blender. And I'm going to pat it into my skin like so. Now I'm going to use the Sasha Buttercup setting powder. And I'm going to set the concealer, and also I'm going to highlight my nose with it. So just add it to my under eye area where I put the concealer. Do a little dance. Add a little powder. Then forehead, and my nose. Just a little on my nose. Okay, and then we're going to use that beauty blender And then I'm going to, wait a minute, let me put it on my chin. On my chin, okay. I'm going to just blend up. Just a light contour. I don't want it to be too harsh, too much. You know? Keep the look soft. And there, my forehead. Blend it, blend it, blend it. And this. Make it a little bit pointy nose, pointy chin. Don't want it to be pointy, but it's pointy. Okay, now that highlighter I did under my eyes, I'm going to take my True Match Super Blendable, and it's super blendable powder in the color Warm. My voice is going away. Okay, I want to apply it all over my face. I really like this powder. It's really, really, really pretty. And it's good for when I don't wear a lot of makeup. I just conceal and go. Well, conceal powder and go. I'm just gonna blend it together. Blend it all day. Now, I'm going to highlight. And I'm going to do my eyeliner and lashes off. On my lips, I'm going to apply the NYX Soft Matte Lip Cream in the color Transylvania.